Well, dear children of BHS Mandigam, welcome again to online classes. I am your teacher Manzoor Ahmed, and today we shall begin from question number 6 of the poem I Cannot Remember My Mother, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Straight away I come to question number 6. What sights and smells remind the poet of his mother? What sights and smells remind the poet of his mother? Its answer is, when the smell of showy flowers floats in air, he is reminded of his mother going to the temple in the morning. When he looks outside through his bedroom window, he feels the silent gaze of his mother onto his face. He feels her mother's presence in the sky. तो सवाल था, कौन से साइट्स और कौन से स्मेल्स शायर को अपनी माँ की याद दिलाती है? तो जब उसकी माँ सुबह शूली फ्लावर्स लेके पूजा करने जाती थी, तो इन शूली फ्लावर्स की जो खुशबू है उससे इसको अपनी माँ याद आती है। या जब शायर आसमान की तरफ देखता है तो उसे लगता है कि जैसे आसमान से उसकी माँ उसके चेहरे की तरफ देख रही है। Another question is, what are the feelings that this poem arouses in you? The poem tells about the feelings of a child for his mother. तो इसमें एक बच्चे की फीलिंग्स है, जो एक बच्चे को फीलिंग्स अपने माँ के लिए होती हैं। The simple lines of the poem reveal the deep-seated emotional bonding that the poet had with his mother. तो हमें पता है कि एक जज्बाती एक बॉन्ड होता है अपनी माँ के साथ एक बच्चे को, एक जोड़ होता है, एक इमोशनल बॉन्ड। बॉन्ड मीन्स काइंड ऑफ एक किस्म का, मान लीजिए एक जोड़ या बंधन होता है। It makes us realize the great impact her quiet dignity had on the poet even at that tender age, for the poet recalls experiences of his infancy and preschool days. It is worth to mention a famous English quote, "No man is really poor if he has a mother." Now another important question is, that is question number 8. Question is, pick out the visual and oral images related to smell and appeal to our eyes directly. So we have to pick out the visual and oral images from the poem. So it is a question about imagery. So first of all, I will tell you what imagery means. Imagery refers to the use of words to describe ideas or situations. Now, its visual images are morning service in the temple. It is a visual image. A boy standing at the bedroom window, again a visual image. Blue of the distant sky, फिर ये एक विजुअल इमेज है। मदर्स गेज ऑन द फेस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, ये भी एक विजुअल इमेज है। नाउ ओरल इमेजेस, द ट्यून ऑफ सम सॉन्ग, तो किसी गाने की धुन, इट इज एन ओरल इमेज। अब इमेजेस रिलेटेड टू स्मेल, द स्मेल ऑफ शूली फ्लावर्स, खुशबू शूली फूलों की, the scent of morning service in the temple. So now its last question is, the poem does not have any rhyme scheme or a fixed length for each line. Did you enjoy the poem? If yes, why? तो इसका आंसर है, even though the poem is without any rhyme scheme and has a non-uniform length, still the poem charms and fascinates us by virtue of its artistic images and the word pictures which are effortless. The highly imaginative nature of the poem makes it worth a read. So this completes your poem. So this is all for today.